Al-Qadir, omnipotent. Allah made everything and has power over everything and everyone. There is no one and nothing stronger than Him. He is the strongest. One night, Yusuf woke up from his sleep and he looked very scared. When his mom asked him what the matter was, he replied that he had a bad dream about a big monster. Yusuf wanted his Superman toy in bed with him, so that if the monster came back, Superman could fight him since he is so strong. Yusuf's mom told him that he could keep his Superman toy with him, but Superman is not real. If he wants someone really strong and powerful to help him, he should ask Allah, who is Al-Qadir. No one and nothing is more powerful than Allah, who is Al-Qadir.
إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون.
His command is only when he intends a thing that he says to it, be, and it is.